This is where we're going to have to do the squiggles again. We have all 6 steps. So for every problem, you need to show either the 6 or 7 steps. Every single problem. So then I go to the worksheet, the flip-flops. What color matches up with 9.8?
Gray.
Gray. So that means that wherever you see the number 9 on the flip-flop, because that's the question number, that's where you will color gray. So the color matches up to the question number, and that's what you'll color. Does that answer your question, Maggie?
Yep.
Okay. So maybe on number 9, write gray on the flip-flop paper.
Wait, I'm sorry, what did you say?
So you're going to color the question number that goes with the answer. So like for number 9, 9.8 matches up with gray. So on the flip-flop, you're going to color the number 9's gray. Right? Because these numbers are not the answers. These are the question numbers.
Oh.
So wherever you see a 9,
Okay.
where are the 9s hiding? Oh, so like there's a stripe of a 9 here and a stripe of a 9 here. Those will be gray. All right, let's do number 10 together. Draw a little rectangle that goes along with the garden that Troy is building. It's 10 feet by 6 feet. So again, we're solving for the hypotenuse. We want to know what the diagonal is. Got my right triangle symbol here. Go. You should have gotten what for your answer for that diagonal of the garden? What?
11.7.
Excellent. Nice job. What color is that on the flip-flops?
Pink.
So wherever you see the number 10, you will color that. Well, I don't have a pink, so maybe light red.
The color 10.
All right, number 11. We've got a wire that is tied from the top of a pole to a stake in the ground. If the stake is 5 feet from the base of the pole, find the height of the pole. All right, so we've got a pole here. We've got a wire that is 15 feet long, and it is 5 feet from the pole, from the base of the pole. That's where it's staked in the ground. Right, there's our little stake, like when you're camping. You guys know what I'm talking about? Like the little holes on a tent, you have to put the stake through them, and it keeps it in the ground.
No.
Thank you, Miley. Thank you. You never been camping?
Yeah.
So you should know that, like, when you're putting your tent up, you have to stake the sides down into the ground. So it doesn't.
I don't put up the tent.
Oh, that's on you then. You need to start helping your dad.
That's on Dad.
You need to start helping your dad. So when you want to go camping when you're older, you're not like, I don't know why my tent keeps falling down.
I got Google.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So what am I solving for here? A, B, or C? A. Why A, Mia? Because the B looks like a 6. You guys are not letting me down today.
Oh.
So we talked about if we have to solve for a leg value, always leaving A as our variable so that we don't accidentally think that this is a 6, because B's can sometimes get confused for 6s, especially with you guys' handwriting. You know who you are. Noah.
No.
Bless you. If you don't remember what to do when we're solving for a leg value, go ahead, look back at the notes. There should be 7 steps. About 14.1?
Wait.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Wait, so how do we know which one's C if there's like
Are there some you don't use?
So C is the diagonal that the right triangle is pointing to, right? So this was C, the wire was C, the pole was our A value, and then the distance from the wire to the pole was the 5 feet. That was our B value. All right, last one. To hang lights up on the house, Garrett placed a 14-foot ladder 4 feet from the base of the house. How high up on the house will the ladder reach? This is kind of a tricky picture, right? So we have a house. I'm going to make like a nice little roof. Here's the side of the house, right? We can have some shingles up on the house, maybe a window. You don't have to, but I mean, it's a nice little addition. Look, I even have curtains on the window. Right? Look at that. Beautiful. It's a window. So this is the house. Yeah?
The whole house?
Well, it's not the whole thing. I'm not going to draw the whole thing. And he has a 14-foot ladder. Whoop. It helps to draw the picture. And the ladder is 4 feet from the house. So how high up is it resting on the house? So we're trying to find this distance. Maggie, are we solving for A, B, or C?
B?
It could be,
A.
but we like to use A so we don't accidentally mistake it for a 6. Okay, so you're going to have the rest of class to work on 1 through 8. Of course, you need to show all the steps for each of those. What you don't finish will be homework.